faster.
Yeah.
Go to Mary.
You know.
Yeah, I'm like, why am I wasting so much energy? Like, fuck. You know, like. But now I don't waste a lot. You chill.
There you go. Watch out the camera.
Hey, here, go here.
But it was nice. Today, you know, it was a little fog. It was really foggy.
Ayan.
Like, you know, like this, everybody was putting the brake.
Kape tamo, kape.
I was putting on the bonnet. Like, driving like nothing. You know, everybody was just like,
Now you figure out.
now I know. Now I know.
How many times you have to charge?
With him, I had to, I had it in a hurry. I had to charge it every day.
Yeah, I charge every day too.
But now it's like, now I already know. But he told me how to do it. Because he told me, put it on, program it, and it conditions the battery.
Yeah.
So from here, I go to the
Backabill?
McDonald's. It's like a,
You go to Backabill now. You charge there now.
no, I charge over here by
You pa tingin.
this one charge, and then I stop again in what do I,
Good morning, Lanzones. Ito, kape tayo rito. Oh. Hirap magtrabaho dito. Oh. Hirap kumita ng pera. Oh.
I tell him how much money I want to be at home.
Yan o. Kape. Coffee time. Bago magtrabaho, kailangan magkape. Ayan o. Ay, sarap magkape. Ayan o. Ako makakita trabaho ngayon. Ano ba rin? Kakape lang tayo. Ano yan? Ano? Ano yan? Ba't naka-mask yan? Ano yan? Ano ito? Pandemic? Ito si Peter, taga Pandakagi, no? Parang wala mo, kahit pandemic na ka na naman, nuko. Parang masakit naman talaga eh. Oh, gobrata na ne. Yari na yung kape. Ayan, gobrata na oh. Yari na may kape. Mas 4 na pala. Mag-video ko ita. Mag-video ko. Sa akin mga gobra, ay niyo, yari na, break ta na. Kailangan ta na mag-break. Ay ito, maka-break yan naman daw. Hi, Johnny! Ayan. Ayun na yung isang kasama namin, si paring Homer. Ayan. Ayan. Pre, tatlo tayo ulit. Tatlo tayo nililisid. Kape ka muna.
Chill.
to.
Alas 6 pa yung flight natin eh.
Oo nga.
Ayos na ayos.